Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, March 13th. I started my journey at Amicalola Falls on 3-9. We did hike a trail, my mom and I, from the parking lot to the top of the falls and then up to the beginning of the approach trail, which starts just off of that, I guess, or part of it. And you can also get to that from the lodge. So the next day on 3/10, which was Friday, my starting day, I did the approach trail from the lodge to Springer's Trailhead, and then got a ride back to the lodge. I spent the night at the lodge on 3/10, and then got a ride back to the trailhead of Springer by Miss Janet, and was able to hike from Springer to Cooper's Gap on 3/11, which was Saturday. And then on Sunday I hiked from Cooper's Gap to Woody Gap, and the weather was pretty gnarly, and the night before we spent in the thunder showers and rain, so everything was pretty wetted out. So I did get a ride into town, Dahlonega, by Upstate Hiker Shuttle, and I was just able to get them a call back. So I will be heading back to trail from Woody Gap around 10 o'clock. I'll probably be starting around 10:30, and I'll be seeing how far I can get. I'm only going to do about 7 or 8 miles today. There's a campsite, and there we'll see how I feel when I get there. I have been battling some tendonitis in my knee. I spent a lot of yesterday and last night icing it on and off, and then getting in the shower, heating it up, stretching, and doing that process all over again. It's an overuse injury, and as long as I can take care of it, it should be okay. So that's just one of my concerns right now. My only concern, really. Everything else is great. I have great spirits. The rest of my body feels amazingly well, and it's surprising to me. But just having a little issue with that left knee. So going to get back on trail, it feels good. Just went down the stairs, walked up to the ATM at the gas station next door. No issues or pain. Right now I just took some ibuprofen after I had some oatmeal. Got it all packed up. Did leave some items, including one of the yoga mat I cut down. It just soaked up a lot of water, so if I was to use that in freezing weather, it would just be like sitting on an icicle or an ice mat, and didn't want to carry around that extra weight when it's wet, and it is extra weight when it's dry. I'm not sure that I need it, so I'm going to just pull that. Just trying to lighten things up that I know I'm definitely not going to use. So hopefully today I'll feel great when I get to camp. I'll get some rest, stretch out. I'm going to do some shorter days from here on out, no more than probably 13 or 14. I'm going to stay below 15, and probably even below 10. So I'll update you guys on trail today. I hope to introduce you to some of the people on trail, and we'll see how that goes. Until then, I'll catch you guys on trail. See you later.